Namaste. Welcome. Training on medical equipment and devices.
Level 1 Training of user on ECG machine. In this video, we'll be seeing Neon Coden CardioFlex M ECG machine. Front side of the machine, left side of the machine, right side of the machine, we have the printer assembly. Back side of the machine. Neon Coden ECG machine accessories. 4 clamps, 16 ampere power cable, 10 lead ECG cable, 6 chest bulb, and at last Neon Coden ECG paper. We'll see how to place the ECG paper in the printer assembly. As we have already discussed, we have to use original ECG paper, Neon Coden. While placing the ECG paper, one have to make sure that on the right hand side of the machine, this indication, black indication should come. So we have to make sure that we are placing, this should come on the right hand side of the machine. Why this is important? Because we have the sensor placed on the right hand side. If you place it in the wrong way, the print will not come. So we have to place it like this. And from here we have to pull the paper outside. We'll see how to switch on the machine. As our machine is connected to main supply, we have this green indication here and our battery is also charging. So this is the button that you have to use to switch on the machine. You have to press this button once. And your machine will look like this when it is on. We'll see how to feed patient information. We have to use this ID key. We have to press it once. So these are the information that one needs to feed. First is ID. We'll put it 001. Next is your name. So we'll write it as test. Then sex, we'll keep it as male, and age we'll keep it as 20. Once this is done, you have to say OK. Now we'll see how to capture 12 lead ECG on the machine. We are using a dummy patient, which is an ECG simulator. You have to switch it on. As soon as the simulator is on, we will have the graph on the ECG machine. This is how an idle graph looks like. Okay, if the graph is coming properly, then we have to freeze it. And if this is okay, then we have to give the print. So we have to use this button, green button, for giving the print. We have to press this once and your paper will come out, and all your ECG, 12 lead ECG will be recorded on the ECG paper. This is how the idle graph looks like. Now we'll see how to switch off the machine. This same button which we have used to switch on the machine, we'll use the same button. We have to press this button once, the machine will go off automatically.